Hey everyone, so this is going to be the video that was requested, talking about carburetors on the 50. So this is an aftermarket OEM replacement. There's an electric choke thing, which I hate. Never usually work, but it goes there. So this one's identical to the original one. The original one cracked. So the original one looks identical to this, so I'm not going to show it, but the one that's on the machine right now, machine's up because the valves are way too tight, so I gotta adjust them. Is basically a generic carburetor. It has a choke, a regular choke, which I removed. It runs a heck of a lot better, but it wouldn't start by electric start when it was cold. And I thought it was the valves, and a couple other people thought it was the valves, and I confirmed it was the valves, at least one of the problems. I checked the valves, and they're way too tight, so I gotta get a custom, not custom, I could make a custom tool, but I gotta buy a tool to hold the valve adjust thing, because I was trying to use a pair of needle nose, but that ain't working too great. And there's a tool, it's like a couple dollars, so I'll just get the right one. I don't know. I did take all these apart in ultrasonic clean them, but yeah, don't know. But yeah, that's what's new on the 50. Here, I got one of them little things right here. See, there's, will focus, that little edge right there. There's a tool that grips that, and then you can use a wrench and turn that. So there's focus. Ain't focusing. Stupid phone. I got it set up. Gotta get this head shock and the control arm up. Gotta get that off, and then I gotta get the bolts off, take the control arm off, heat it up, do some bending, because as you can see at the top there, it's pretty bent. And I'm going to try to fix it. Hopefully I can fix it, because I don't want to go get a different control arm. But on these 800s, everything's painted red. I think it's because it was a limited lineup of Polaris 800s. So the suspension's painted red, the shocks, control arms, most of that. This one's a silver one with the black, but I guess we do a cold start on this thing. Haven't started in a little while, but might as well. Got you guys on. The video's pretty short, only 3 minutes. Got another video uploaded right now. I'll probably fire it right up. It never gives me a problem. Put in park. It's in 4-wheel drive. Put in 2. Go. Got what's the brand? Forgot that brand. They sent me this cover. It's pretty nice. It didn't really fit that great, but it's growing on me. So I'll put a link to their website in the description if you like. And this is just a universal seat cover, so ain't much to that. This way down the Full 450, having another company send me an axle set for the back, and that's that. And then I'm gonna get a switch for this, a new kill switch, which I found for $8. Then I'm gonna work on that again, and I got to finish this up. I gotta do some soldering on it. This soldering here, this light switch, and then another sponsor of the channel, which is Reliable Aftermarket Parts. They're specialized in old classic tractors and stuff. I'm gonna get a 6-volt light from them. I'm gonna put it right here on the FL250. And if it's an actual 6-volt light, it should work. It ain't gonna look identical to the factory one, but it's gonna be there, so that'll be good. But I want to thank everyone for stopping by. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Leave a like, leave a comment. We love our comments, and always answer all of them, even the hate ones, And if you got nothing nice to say, then keep your mouth shut, basically. Until the next video, guys. Watch one of my older videos after watching this video, and go leave a like on that video. Thanks for all the support. We're almost at 6,300 subscribers. That's a pretty big jump from where we were a year ago, but we're getting there. Eventually 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, maybe 1 million subscribers. Who knows? You never know.